Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy that you found my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about 10 super profitable business endeavors that you can do right from the comfort of your own home. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed. I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's get started. Are you thinking of starting a side hustle? How about making a full-time income? These businesses are all great options to consider. The good news is that you can do all that from the comfort of your home. Let me share with you 10 super profitable business endeavors that you can do at home. Number 1 is online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of online learning, there's a huge demand for tutors and teachers who can help students learn remotely. You can teach a wide variety of subjects, from math and science to language and music. Number 2 is e-commerce. Starting an online store is a great way to sell products from the comfort of your own home. You can sell your own products or become an affiliate marketer for other companies. Number 3 is graphic design. If you have a talent for design, you can start your own graphic design business and create logos, websites, and other marketing materials for clients. Number 4 is virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you can help small business owners and entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and managing social media accounts. Number 5 is blogging or vlogging. If you're passionate about a particular topic and enjoy writing or creating videos, you can start your own blog or vlog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Number 6 is home cleaning and organizing. If you're handy with a vacuum and a broom, you can start your own cleaning or organizing business and help people declutter and keep their homes neat and tidy. Number 7 is pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you can start your own pet sitting or dog walking business and make money taking care of pets when their owners are away. Number 8 is handyman or home repair services. If you're good with tools, you can start your own handyman or home repair business and help people with tasks like fixing leaks, painting, and building shelves. Number 9 is online personal training. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you can start your own online personal training business and help people get in shape through virtual workouts and nutrition plans. Number 10 is event planning. If you're organized and love planning parties and events, you can start your own event planning business and help people plan everything from weddings and birthdays to corporate events and fundraisers. So there you have it, 10 super profitable business endeavors that you can do right from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or make a full-time income, these businesses are all great options to consider. One last thing before you leave, if you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.